Hey, I'm TJ Stecker. Welcome to Fireside Writer. If you like crime fiction, if you stay up late into the night reading thrillers, if you can't put that last one down, or if you just want to write one of your own, then you've come to the right place. We're going to talk about great books, the craft of writing them, and the authors who've changed the game. I'm a crime fiction author. I write about family secrets, military conspiracies, small-town corruption in the Appalachian Mountains. I was a naval aviator, a DC attorney, and now a mystery author. That background feeds my authenticity in my novels and to this channel. My philosophy is that crime fiction is literature. It's not a lesser genre. The best crime novels explore human nature, morality, justice, and the weight of history, while keeping readers turning the pages long past midnight. So, what are we going to talk about on this channel? First up is the I Want to Write Like series, where we do deep dives into the masters Michael Connelly, Lehane, Tom Clancy, and Cormac McCarthy, and more. We're going to do real analysis, not surface praise. We're going to break down scene structure, tension building, techniques to steal. And this will be great for those writers who are trying to level up and the readers who want to go deeper into the stories. I'm also going to talk about the writing craft, practical advice, character development, plotting, pacing, research, dialogue, not just theory, but techniques you can use today. All tools you'll need to write crime fiction that works. I'm also going to do book reviews and analysis, honest takes on classic and contemporary crime fiction. What works, what doesn't, and why it matters. No fluff, no clickbait, thoughtful analysis from a working writer. Lastly, I want to talk about book to film. How did this classic crime literature translate to the big screen and the small screen? How did Michael Connelly's The Black Echo translate to the TV series Bosch? How did Dennis Lehane's Shutter Island translate to the Scorsese movie of the same name? We're going to do a deep dive into what makes a great adaptation from these classic crime novels. So why this channel? Well, I believe there's a gap in content. There aren't enough out there that treat crime fiction with the respect it deserves. My mission is to show commercial fiction can also be literary. Page turners can matter. Genre and literary boundaries are meant to be crossed. Michael Connelly can teach as much as any MFA program, and Cormac McCarthy wrote crime novels that are American literature. So if you're a fellow writer trying to figure it out, if you want to learn from the masters, well, then come with me, and I'll share what I've learned and what I'm still learning. So thanks for joining me on this journey. We're going to have new videos every single week. We're going to talk about authors who shaped crime fiction, craft techniques, and book reviews. Make sure to hit subscribe. Comment below, who are you reading? Who do you want to talk about? I read every single comment and I love hearing from viewers. Welcome to Fireside Writer. Let's talk about what makes great crime fiction work. I'll see you.